Hi everyone. Today, we're going to explore the Figma to Webflow plugin, a simple and powerful tool to transfer your Figma designs directly into Webflow. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Let's get started. You can either use an existing design or create a new one. Let's start by creating a new design file in Figma. Click on the Resources button at the top, go to the Plugins tab, and search for SAPy Figma to Webflow. Make sure the plugin is created by Webflow Labs. Install it, then click Run. This will launch the Webflow plugin panel, where you can connect your Figma file to a Webflow site. Before sending your design to Webflow, create a new site in Webflow. Choose a blank or simple template like a blog layout. Don't design anything in it yet. Your Figma layout will replace whatever is there. Once the site is created, return to the Webflow dashboard and confirm the new project appears. In Figma, make sure you're using auto layout. Normal frames can break or misalign elements when you export them to Webflow. If you're working with a design that isn't using auto layout, try to rebuild or adjust it. Auto layout mimics how Flexbox works in Webflow, so it's essential for responsiveness. Once your layout is clean and stable, you're ready to export. Open the plugin again in Figma. Select the auto layout frame you want to export. Choose the Webflow site you created from the drop-down. Click Copy to Webflow. The plugin will process your design. When it says Copy to Clipboard, go to your Webflow designer, select the body, and press Ctrl+V or CMD+V on Mac. Your design will now appear in Webflow exactly as it was structured in Figma. The plugin also comes with built-in layout components like headers, hero sections, galleries, pricing tables, testimonials, and footers. You can click and add them into your Figma file, arrange them, customize the design, then export to Webflow just like before. It's a fast way to prototype and build clean, responsive layouts. And that's how you use the Figma to Webflow plugin to bring your designs into Webflow. Make sure to use auto layout, organize your sections well, and take advantage of reusable components. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more design to development tutorials. See you in the next one.